5 questions to ask an orthopedic doctor for your parents. Good orthopedic doctors in Kolkata would usually offer advice and recommendations on how your parents can have healthier bones as they get older. However, it's a good idea to have a more proactive role in your appointments with the orthopedic doctor to ensure you truly understand the health requirements of your mom and dad and can help them get better. In that context, in the next appointment, here are 5 questions you should ask your bone doctor for your parents. 1. Can they work out? Exercise is always beneficial no matter the age. However, if your parents have any specific orthopedic condition, exercising may not necessarily be good for them. Further, the kind of exercises one does and the intensity of the sessions should also change as the person is getting older. So, do ask your orthopedic doctor about whether or not your parents can work out. If they can, what kind of exercises should they do and how long they should do them? Do they need to change their diet? As people grow old, their body's nutritional needs and requirements change. Keeping this in view, the diet of such people should be modified accordingly as well. Ask your doctor how your parents' typical diet should look. Ask them what should ideally be served to them in meals. 3. Should they take nutrition supplements? As mentioned earlier, with age, the body's nutrition requirement changes as well. For instance, old people lose more bone. Plus, if injured, their healing process may take more time. This is why, at times, to meet any nutritional gaps, supplements might be needed. This is especially true with vitamin D, calcium, and protein, the key nutrients for stronger bones and joints. So, ask this question to your orthopedic doctor. They may order some tests to identify nutritional deficiencies before recommending any supplements. 4. What are the things to be cautious of? There are risk factors that increase the chances of having any orthopedic condition. Ask your doctor if your parents have such risk factors. If they do, what are the steps you can take and what are the things to be cautious of so as to minimize these risk factors? Stay aware of what could possibly go wrong with your parents' orthopedic health. Once you're aware of that, you can take proper measures to prevent that thing from happening. For instance, if they are more prone to ligament injuries, you can take measures in advance to avoid such injuries. Don't wait for it to happen. That requires a rushed visit to the best ligament doctor in Kolkata. Remember, prevention is better than cure. 5. When to visit next? Once past 50, people should visit an orthopedic doctor regularly for routine checkups and not wait for things to go bad before booking an appointment. So, following their diagnosis, the doctor can tell better what type of intervention your parents need for their orthopedic health. So, ask them when you should book your next appointment. These are the 5 questions you should ask an orthopedic doctor for your parent. So, in your next visit with your parents to any of the orthopedic doctors in Kolkata, make sure to ask these questions and get clear answers.